Yo, 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 what up, YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using me tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another review for you guys right now. So this is basically an update for the Legion Go. So it's the Legion Space app. You do know that I do own the the Z2 non-extreme. I was able to actually pick up another one, which was the 32 gigabyte Z2 version. I will be doing videos on that at a later time, but yeah, let me turn this brightness down for you guys real quick. So let's go here real fast, and let's put it down from there. It's about 44. That should be good enough for you guys to actually see what's going on the screen. So right now, like I said, there's a Legion Space update. Let's hit it right now. I basically found out when I was actually doing some updates on my son's Legion Go, so that's how I basically found out with it. I always do updates on his like all the damn time, so he's always getting updates and always up to date on everything right here. So you can see right here is downloading it. So one of the things that I did notice was I'm just going to show you guys as soon as we get into the app. There's a little bit extra more things on here that you can process through now. So the UI should be a little bit better. I haven't gotten a full chance to play with it. Once I updated it, I just scrolled through it. I just noticed like one or two things on it. But since I'm doing mines now, I can actually go through and hopefully see if there's any more changes on here. One thing I hope they do is the RGBs, man. Like, fix the controls for the RGBs. That's what I've been waiting for the longest with this thing, is for the controls for the RGBs. I mean, everybody is waiting for a control. I got Signal RGB on it. Like, it literally just doesn't fix any of that stuff on here. So I can control my RGBs on my controller. That's one thing I do give props for the Legion Go. I'm sorry, for the Asus ROG Ally, is that their controllers for the even though it had bugs and stuff on it, that it would kind of like cut off when you try to set it up, when you try to use Starlight. Was it Starlight or was it Star? I forgot the actual name. The one that I normally would use to fix the controller, but I like to have mine set to like blue and pink like that, crossfield. But this one is just, you really can't do no customization really with it, and it kind of sucks. Even if you have Signal RGB on, or if you have RG, I forgot the other name of the program. But yeah, even if you put any of those programs on it, you still can't get this thing to synchronize and change the colors to what you want. It's either a solid or a breathing or rainbow or like a cycle. So yeah, I wish they just fixed that, but I doubt it. I ain't gonna say nothing else about it. So yeah, let's just see what's gonna happen. It's gonna take a little bit of time. I am very low on memory because I've been doing a lot of testing, a lot of gaming. I've been playing this thing on my eGPU. If you don't know what an eGPU is, it's basically a dock that allows you to connect your graphic cards, very expensive graphic cards, onto it. And I think I might bust out my 1070 and put it up on here and see how that runs on here. I know I'm not going to be able to get a lot of frames and stuff out of it because it is a 1070, but I still like my EVGA, for the win. I think it was an overclock. I think it was OC version. I'm not completely sure. All right, so we got some controller updates. Hopefully it fixed. Oh, did y'all just notice that? Okay. So as you can see right here, this one has the cycle RGBs going on, and this one is solid. I hope it really fixes the RGBs, because as you can see, the right side is getting updates. I really hope it fixed the whole problem. Okay, this just turned off. Okay, now this one is on. So now this side is getting updates. Okay. I really hope it's getting some RGB updates for this. I really hope so. I am going to reach out to Lenovo again, see if they can try to get this thing to fix with these whole RGBs on here. One thing I do got to give with Asus, I do like the immersion part. Like when you play music, you can get the music to bump with the RGBs. or if you're playing certain games when you're shooting things, or if you set it up for in-game lights, you can set the color. So when you like low on health, you get that pulsating on it, or sometimes they'll change the colors. So I do like some of those features on the Asus ROG, which I'm not a big fan of the Xbox ROG Ally. I would never buy that. So yeah, waiting for that new Asus product to come out, which I know is going to be killer. Okay, left controller is detected. So we're just going to wait for that to do what it do. We're just waiting around. The awkward silence. And there we go. But like I said, when I did my son's, I wasn't in the room. I just did it updated and I stepped away when I updated his. So I didn't really get to see all the extra stuff that was going on. So let's hit confirm. Okay. Full screen experience. I already know about that. So let's hit this for later. Let's go towards controllers. Allegiant Store profiles. Okay. So first thing I want to test colors. Dynamic, blank, solid, it's still the same. Profiles, spacey still the same. Enable lights on, turn it off, turn it on. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. Okay, still got this. Can't change the colors. Blank. We have that. Then we have solid. Yeah, I don't think they did anything with it yet. Maybe if we go into the settings, which I'll try that off screen and see. I might keep it on this. I don't know if I want to keep it on this or not. I might just keep it like that just for right now. Put the speed. Yeah, just keep it like that just for right now. Let's go towards controllers. See anything new updates? So let's click on more. Check for updates. Nothing. Okay, here. Calibrations, triggers, button mapping. Let's go to button mapping, see if there's anything new. Okay, so we got this and this and this. Okay, so it looked like they changed the way how this UI is. So desktop, this is the one that I created here. So let's go back. Shortcuts. Okay, long press, shorts. Okay, quick actions. Okay, I'm not seeing nothing really much. Let's go here real fast. Let's see what we can see in this real quick. Can we change that? Still same. I'm not going to go into basically everything else yet, so we're going to leave that alone. Let's go to settings. Okay, they changed the UI on it. Okay, looks a little bit better now. UI looks way better. Okay, display. Let's click on that. Okay. Let's go towards distant drivers. Let's hit this to see if there's any updates that'll push it through. I doubt it because I already got everything up to date, basically with BIOS and everything. I also got to check about with the VRAM because I noticed before on his I was able to check the VRAM. I'm on a whole different build compared to what he's on, so mine's might be way different towards his because I did see the ability to change the VRAM on here. So let me see, customs, VRAM. Okay, so the general. So yeah, I might have to play with this a little bit. And the reason why I'm not going to all any other the settings, because the simple fact is I don't want some personal information to show up. So I am going to go off camera and look at some of the stuff on here while I'm off camera. And if anything new, I'll come back and make another video. But this is showing you guys that there was an update for Legion Space. And I'm going to catch you guys later. That's it. And I'm out. Deuces. One. Peace.